go back at it. Yeah, I've had so many things going on with the electrical. Is I have haven't had a chance to work on getting in the shirts and stuff done. So.
Did you find a place?
I'm gonna wait and see what the lady at work, what's her name?
Amber.
Yes. And see what she has.
Grandma, you go to work with a lot of creative people. Both hands wet again. Okay, let me see this for a second. Smooth that out just a little bit here. Now, we're getting really soft here on this one part. We may have to trim that outside just a touch, and we'll get you another piece of clay. Boop, boop. So, I'm gonna ask you all again. Rory?
There's no Rory.
Oh, Peyton. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna be coming back.
Yeah.
Gina, you liked it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah. And then you turn the camera over this way, and she runs and hides. So and I know Jody likes it. So hey, I think we had a good time, and I think you made some really good pieces here. And I'm gonna tell you what, Peyton, your bowl's one of the best over here. So you did a good job. Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. And actually, I still think that this is.
That could be so many things.
It
You're
can.
gonna have a hard time choosing.
It'd be a good base.
Or your pencil holder or a glass.
Yeah, because once you put the glaze on it, it's waterproof. Yep.
I like to mix the two. So.
All right. So you like playing in the mud?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Well, thank you very much.
You're
Ed.
welcome.
We had a really good time.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Yeah, I when the stuff gets dry enough, I'm gonna fire it, and I'll let Jody know when I'm gonna do all this, because and actually I'm pretty sure I'm pretty close. I'm pretty close to because I've got the wife is using all this stuff for her macrame. She's
She
gonna
does like wall hangings and stuff.
and she's gonna use all that for her macrame. So I've got to get it fired. So it's an ongoing thing. So yeah, I'm really close on loading up the kiln just as soon as everything gets dry enough. So yeah.
Then
Awesome.
we'll get to glaze it, and then he'll have to fire it one more time.
Yes, yeah. So I'll be letting everybody know. I've got now. You know who else has been coming over here too?
Yeah, who's that little girl?
McKenna.
McKenna and Maddie.
Yeah.
You have to tell her that you came too.
Yep.
I feel like a lot of girls like her age are into the crafting, and which is good.
Yeah. And this is, this age and a little bit up is a good age. He can work with that many at
Yeah.
once. So.
Like all of McKenna's little friends, like they're just into dancing around, being silly. So then we went to my niece's birthday and they painted, and so that was fun because it's crafts and you're doing something and
Yeah.
not